Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This here is my Husqvarna 1650 EXL snowblower with a little one-cylinder Briggs and Stratton. I think it's a 10, 12 horse, something like that. Not sure. But it doesn't do me any good because the crank doesn't turn at all. I tried a couple of things. I've dumped a whole bunch of oil in that there spark plug hole, no avail. Tried hitting the starter without the spark plug in there. Tried to blow oil all over the place and make a giant mess, but I couldn't, and I didn't. I hate to say it, but I'm leaning towards a broken flywheel key, quite possibly, over here in the front. I mean, I just don't know. I tried to take a chisel and lightly tap on those grooves right there on the flywheel. I've got clearance between these guys right here and the flywheel itself. This is obviously steel, and I got some type of set clearance. Nothing's rubbing up right there. Capacitor, inducer, I'm not sure what they do. I know it just puts spark to spark plug, and this is the alternator. But anyway, haven't been able to figure out what in the hell I've done to this thing to get it not to turn over. I guess I've been letting that oil sit in there for a while. I can give it a spark, but we'll see. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Tearing it down. About to go into the valves right here. Take a look around. All right, man. Take care.